Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add images and pictures behind as well as in front of and on top of each other. So I'm using a page from my book, my Golden Journal notebook. So I made it all golden, of course, the name Golden. So the pages are all like that because it's blank. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Like if you want to do a page that has images behind. These are lines, but if they were words, it's the same principle. So of course, we're going to insert it properly because you want to do this, especially if you're uploading it for Amazon KDP. You know you have to insert the image. So you will go to where you store the image and then you insert it. But look what happens. It pushes the lines down, and we don't want that. We want the lines on top of the image. So in that case, what we're going to do, but you have to make sure that this is selected, the image is selected. If you click off, you're like, oh my gosh, what happened? You click it, you're going to see this tab that says picture format. Whenever you have any images or pictures that you're trying to manipulate, you have to click on it because you need this tab in order to do anything. So we're going to go to arrange. Then this is called wrap text. And we're going to go behind the text because we want to put it behind the lines. Or if you had words, it's the same thing. But this page is a standard page. And, we have to scroll down in order to move the image around. So what we can do is go to view, zoom, click on zoom again, and then go to 75%. That makes it easier for you to see the entire page. You could also go a little bit like 70%. Let's see, zoom. You can always change it. Click the down to 70. Okay, so you can see the entire page. So we want it at the edge of the entire page. So we just drag there. But of course, this is faint in the book and this is so bright. So again, make sure that you see this picture format. We're going to go to click on the picture format, then this will come up. And there are different things you can do. Once you go in there, you can either lighten it this way until it goes all the way down, or you can use transparency effect. So you can choose whatever transparency you want. And if you want it lighter, you can do that. Or you could even go to color and play around with the color that way as well. So there are different ways of achieving the result. It just depends on what you want. All right, so that looks good. Now we want this golden drip effect. So we're going to click off of that image. And then you can just click anywhere on the blank line, or if you had words. Again, we're going to insert. You find where you keep it, your image, click on it. And again, this once you introduce a new image or anything, it's going to push it down. The reason why you have this long line down here is because I have a transparent background on this golden drip. So in order to make it smaller, we're going to crop it. Again, if you accidentally click off, you're like, oh my gosh, I don't see that picture box. Just click on the image, it will automatically come back. Then we're going to go to crop. Then you just move it up, crop it to whatever length you want. Then you can press enter, just click away from it. You see it's not moving. The reason why it's not moving is because we haven't arranged it yet. In order to move any images around, you have to tell Microsoft Word where you want it to go. So in this case, I'm going to say in front of text because this is how it looks on here. But of course, we're not really writing anything, but just for the effect. And again, you see how this is lighter and this is dark. No problem. We're going to do the same thing. You just move it however you want to move it. And again, if this is so big, you see how this is smaller. We can always crop it. So again, click on the image, click crop. We're going to go all the way down, click away from it, and there. And then if you want to push it up, it's not so blurry. Again, if you want to cut some more, you can crop to your delight, heart's delight. Crop to whatever you want on your image and just set it how you want to set it. And then just play around with it. So again, move this to the edge. You have to look for the little lines. Okay. All right, and again, this is like a golden color. This is like brown. So just click on corrections. If you want to make it sharp, the image sharp, you can go ahead and do that. Then you can just see it's getting closer to that effect because you have different light and dark. So down the bottom is always lightest. And then if you want to do it color again, this is like black and white, and then this is like full color. So again, see, so that's how you get it to be like this. You just play around with it. So always click on the image that you want. Make sure the picture format comes up. In order to move the picture around, you have to arrange it first by going either behind the text or in front of, or if you want a square, just play around with this to see how you want it to look on your page. And then once you choose, then you're able to play around and then crop where you want to make it smaller. All right, so that is how you can put images behind your lines and also your words if you have words. All right, and again, watch my other videos. I'll be doing different tips and tricks just to show you how you can use Microsoft Word if you want to be doing books and you want to upload into Amazon KDP. And again, you can go to my channel, Amazon channel, or Amazon website, I mean. And then if you like my books, you can also purchase them for yourself or someone else. So keep coming back to my YouTube channel so you can get tips and tricks to make your life easier with how to use Microsoft Word when you want to do books for Amazon KDP or for anywhere, just to use Amazon Word Microsoft Word in general. All right. Bye.